If you want to join our giveaways, check the description below and take a chance to win.
On September 17, 2019, a public beta test was sent off for the Hedera Hashgraph organization, a conveyed vault with a pronounced throughput of 10,000 exchanges each second. The stage likewise sent off its own Hedera Hashgraph digital currency HBAR, as well as a help for shrewd agreements and record stockpiling. Furthermore, there are as of now more than 36 applications previously working on its premise. What is the Hedera Hashgraph gauge for 2021, and then some? Will HBAR cost go up in 2021? Figure out this and more in our Hedera Hashgraph cost expectation for 2021 to 2030. Hedera Hashgraph Review Hashgraph, the HBAR blockchain, is a more proficient option to blockchain. It is likewise a conveyed vault, however one that utilizes an alternate approach to compassing blocks. Rather than a reasonable grouping of blocks, blockchain, the hash graph utilizes a directed acyclic graph, DAG, which records data in a non-straight way, without a successive chain of blocks. Cryptographic forms of money, for example, IOTA, Byteball and Tangle, are now working based on DAG. On account of DAG, the hash graph guarantees every one of the benefits of the blockchain, yet without its downside as low exchange speed. In its most broad structure, a hash graph agreement functions as follows. O network members, hubs, trade information through the gossip convention. O transaction data is shipped off to irregular hubs, sending them, thus, to 2 other O nodes, etc. dramatically, until the quantity of informed hubs is sufficient to confirm the exchange. O nodes trade just exchange information with one another, and not all data about the organization, while data is put away not in blocks, but rather in hashes. In this manner, everything happens a lot quicker than in the blockchain. No transactions are kept in sequential request, so you can follow their set of experiences. The hash calculation was created and protected in 2016 by the American mathematician Lyman Baird. Calculation privileges are claimed by Swirlds, helped to establish and created by Baird. Swirlds' innovation was spotted by U.S. banks in October 2017, the National Credit Union Association, CUNA, and Mountain West Credit Union Association, MWCUA, which framed a consortium of 6,000 banks, chose Swirlds to make a typical corporate organization. Achievement permitted them to isolate the venture into a different stage. Hedera Hashgraph Platform. Swirlds allowed Hedera Hashgraph an elite permit, under which the organization will get 10% of Hedera Hashgraph's income. Hedera Hashgraph is a public foundation of Baird's protected hashgraph. From March to August 2018, the venture was led by ICO, raising $124 million. Shut testing of the organization started in December 2018. The code was checked by a few review organizations, however just now the designers have started public testing. Hedera Hashgraph as of now offers 3 items. A cryptographic money, shrewd agreements, and a document administration. Any client can make a record on the organization, open a record or make dApps in view of Hedera Hashgraph, having finished the kick assessment. The organization upholds up to 10,000 exchanges each second, and its exchange affirmation time is 3 to 5 seconds. Savvy agreements and record administrations are additionally accessible on the Hedera Hashgraph organization, yet up until this point, their throughput depends on 10 exchanges each second, while the pronounced paces will progressively increment, and the typical exchange expense will be $0.0001. Hedera Hashgraph. Technical analysis. As per the specialized examination performed by TradingView, in light of the 3 most famous specialized markers, moving averages, oscillators and pivots, the ongoing rating for Hedera Hashgraph is purchase, showing an unmistakable bullish pattern. This shows that the ongoing cost of HBAR isn't its pinnacle, and Hedera Hashgraph gets an opportunity to ascend from here on out. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, Future Price Prediction. As usual, we need to caution you that you ought to think about all crypto cost expectations while considering other factors. That incorporates our HBAR cost forecast. The crypto market is just too unstable and the business excessively eccentric for any substantial expectations to be made. All things considered, it is as yet conceivable to make a few evaluations with respect to what each coin or token's true capacity could be. How low could they at any point go? How high? In spite of the fact that the sky is the limit, we don't imagine that the Hedera Hashgraph cost gets an opportunity to reach $100 soon. Nonetheless, this digital currency actually has a few decent long-haul possibilities. Its past cost activity shows that Hbar coin is probably going to encounter some sluggish however predictable development throughout the following couple of years, and may try and go up to as high as $3 in any event on the off chance that the most hopeful Hedera Hashgraph estimate is to be accepted. Remember that we make general expectations about the normal future value a digital money might reach during a given year. A coin's cost might go up to $100 in May and crash to $1 in July of that very year, and its typical cost for that year would be $50. Hedera Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Hedera costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Hedera will be 13 cents. The most extreme level that the Hbar cost can reach is 15 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 13 cents. Hedera Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Hedera in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Hedera will be around 18 cents. The most extreme expected Hbar cost might be around 22 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 19 cents in 2023. Hedera Price Prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Hedera, in 2024, Hbar is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About 26 cents and 31 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 27 cents. Hedera Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Hedera and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Hbar cost could drop to 38 cents, while its greatest can reach 45 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 40 cents. Hedera Price Prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Hedera by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Hbar costs are normal in 2026. 67 cents and 57 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 59 cents. Hedera Price Prediction